The ocean, teeming with marine life, stunning beauty, infinite mystery, and ugly plastic trash. 9 million tons of plastic trash bombard the ocean every year, devastating natural habitats, wildlife, and coastal communities. Most of it is single-use plastic, like bottles, straws, and bags. A staggering 91% of all plastic is thrown away rather than recycled. Meanwhile, plastic production is expected to triple in the next 3 decades. Without drastic action, by 2050, plastic will outweigh all of the fish in the oceans. This is not sustainable. At Norwex, we are committed to real solutions to quell the plastic tide, working to reduce, remove, recycle, and rethink its use. This includes working with innovative partners who share our passion for a healthy ocean, like Washed Ashore, a nonprofit raising awareness of the crisis through dynamic works of art made entirely of marine litter. The Sea Bin Project, which focuses on removing floating trash from marinas and harbors around the world. And Ocean-Bound Plastic, working to capture and recycle plastic destined for the sea, turning plastic litter into a valuable resource for new applications like Norwex packaging. Protecting the planet from harmful waste is in our DNA at Norwex. We offer products that are not only incredibly effective, but also help reduce the consumption of single-use plastic, as well as other single-use items like paper towels, which contribute to deforestation and produce 250 million tons of trash every year. Our reusable stainless steel straws have replaced 120 million plastic straws so far, while our reusable grocery bags have replaced 10 million single-use plastic bags. Our signature microfiber cloths are able to remove up to 99% of bacteria from surfaces using only water, so you don't have to use wasteful paper towels or harmful chemicals. We were the first to make our microfiber using recycled plastic bottles, the same exceptional performance with up to 70% recycled material. And when your Norwex microfiber reaches the end of its very long life, we will happily take it back and give it a fitting end as we partner to convert it to sustainable energy. We design each of our products to help you lead a healthier and more sustainable lifestyle, improving quality of life by reducing the need for harmful chemicals in our homes. And while there is no quick fix to reducing plastic in our oceans, we are committed to making our world a cleaner, safer place. Norwex, creating a healthier planet for a healthier you.